Are there countries with low income inequality? Recent discussions have focused on the pressing question, are there countries with low income inequality? As people seek to understand economic disparities, this topic is more relevant than ever. Understanding income inequality can help us grasp the economic health of nations and the well-being of their citizens. Yes, there are countries with low income inequality, though the measurement and interpretation of inequality can vary depending on whether income or consumption is considered. Income inequality is often measured by the Gini coefficient, where a lower score indicates more equal distribution. Some countries known for low income inequality include Slovakia, Slovenia, and Belarus, which rank among the most equal in terms of income distribution. According to the World Bank's recent data, India has a consumption-based Gini coefficient of 25.5, placing it in the moderately low inequality bracket. This makes India one of the countries with relatively low consumption inequality. However, India's income inequality Gini coefficient is much higher, around 61, indicating a large gap between income and consumption inequality measures. This difference arises because consumption inequality tends to be lower than income inequality. Higher income individuals save more and spend a smaller proportion of their income. Government subsidies and informal support systems can also even out consumption patterns. Therefore, countries with low consumption inequality do not necessarily have low income inequality. Globally, wage inequality remains a challenge. The lowest paid 10% of workers earn only a small fraction of total wages, while the highest paid 10% earn a large share. Wage inequality tends to be higher in low-income countries. Factors such as informal employment and gender disparities contribute to persistent gaps. From the perspective of the United States, which has a relatively high income inequality compared to many developed countries, examples of countries with lower income inequality highlight the differences in social policies, labor markets, and economic structures. Countries with strong social safety nets, progressive taxation, and inclusive labor markets tend to have lower income inequality. While some countries exhibit low income inequality, the measurement depends on whether income or consumption is assessed. Many countries still face significant disparities in wages and earnings. Understanding these differences can help inform discussions about economic policies and social welfare systems.